As you guys have seen from the thumbnail, I'm finally monetized, guys. And I just want to say a big thank you, guys. I woke up this morning and I saw that I finally made it to 2,000 subscribers. Man, that is just an amazing feeling, guys. And upon checking it not too long ago, I got one more subscriber. So I'm actually at 2,001 subscriber, guys. And I'll have to say it again, guys, really and truly, thank you. I really do appreciate it. I'm really humbled by the followers and support that I've had on the channel. So let's get straight into it, guys. First thing that you need to do, guys, is you need to go into your YouTube studio. So I'm gonna close this right here. Then I'm gonna go inside your settings channel, then feature eligibility. Guys, the first thing that you really need to do, guys, is you need to come in here, follow the steps, and then enable each of these, just so you have the process started. Once you have done that, you close this. You're gonna come inside where it says earn, but before you say monetize, what you do is you're going to follow the on-screen instructions. It's pretty simple, guys. I don't remember what it actually was because it was so long ago, but just follow it. Once you follow it and you reach the final step, you will get a message that showed you grow with YouTube, and then it's going to show you what is going to be happening. So if you have 0 subscribers, 0 public watch hours, you need to enable 2-step verification. Once you do that, then you also have to have 0 active community guideline strike. So in other words, try to make sure you follow YouTube's guideline step by step, guys. If you need to read it, go ahead and read it, guys, but follow their guidelines that you don't get any strikes on your account, because if you do get a strike on your account, you're going to not be able to become a partner, more so be monetized on YouTube. So once you've followed all of that, guys, is the first thing that can happen now, because YouTube kind of changed their rules, is you can now be a YouTube partner with only 500 subs. You have to have 3 valid public uploads, meaning you have to have videos that are publicly on YouTube. You can't have it anywhere else, not on your website or Instagram, wherever it is. You cannot have a link outside of YouTube. You have to actually have the actual video on YouTube itself, the platform, and you have to have 3 of them in order to be eligible. And following that, you also going to have 3,000 public watch hours, guys. So that is for you to become a YouTube partner. I actually became a YouTube partner. I think it was June 7th. And it was an amazing feeling seeing that email from YouTube. All right, so the next thing I would need to do now, guys, is once you are eligible to be monetized, you will need to sign up for a Google AdSense account. I will personally tell you, go and sign up for your Google AdSense account as soon as you possibly can. I did mine when it was about 500 subscribers. I'm not too sure if it was actually that or less, but you can actually set up that account as soon as humanly possible, guys. Please, I beg you, go and do that. The reason why I'm telling you to go and do that, guys, it makes the steps for you to get monetized and everything else situated with YouTube much faster. Because what happened is, once I got the notification that I'm able to become a partner and I needed to go into Google AdSense to do my settings, it only took less than a day for them to email me back with all the updates, guys. That is how quick it can be, guys. I've heard stories of many other persons that will take a lot longer. I guess it basically depends on where you are in the world, but guys, please go and do that as soon as you possibly can. Once you have done that, guys, you also need to upload your W-2, your tax information. I don't know what it's like in other countries, but I know here in the US, you need to upload your W-2 tax information, guys, because that's going to have all your information as well as your address. Okay, so once that is done now, guys, you're also going to need to set up your banking information. That is how YouTube is going to pay you. That is where your money is going to go to. So set up your bank account information, guys. Once you have all that set up, just sit back and wait until you reach the required amount for monetization, guys. And for you to be monetized, you have to have 1,000 subscribers, guys. You also have to have 4,000 watch time hours, which is public watch time hours, guys. Or you can have 10 million valid public views on your YouTube shorts. That to me is crazy because it only you have to do that within 90 days, guys. You're talking about 3 months. I don't think that is easy, but if you guys are talented enough, more than I am, then go ahead and get that done. But if you have your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours, guys, then you're going to start going through the process of setting up, because once you did set up your Google AdSense, then it's going to take you through the steps for what else you need to do in order to now start seeing the $ symbol on your account, guys. So what I'm going to do now, guys, go into my YouTube studio and show you my analytics. So here am I inside my YouTube analytics, guys, and I will definitely show you how much I've actually made thus far as a YouTube partner. So inside the analytics here, guys, you will see all your information in terms of your views, in terms of your watch time hours, the amount of subscribers that you have actually gained during a particular period. As you can see here, it says the last 28 days. So in the last 28 days, I have actually gotten 145 plus subscribers on the account. Thank you, guys, I must say. And the revenue so far that I have actually gotten is $33.67, guys. That might not seem much, but just keep in mind, guys, I recently got monetized. When I got monetized, it was actually July 23rd. So if I go to my revenue section here, you'll see that on the 22nd, I had literally $0. And if I come up here now, my first amount that I got on July 23rd was $3.06. Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. When I saw this, I was like, oh my God, I feel like I've arrived right now. I know it's not that much money, guys, but think about it. You have been creating videos for a year, 2 years, 3 years, whatever the amount is, and you were just doing it pretty much for free. Because one of the frustrating things for me, guys, is when I would look at some of my videos, I saw that there are ads on there and I'm not getting any money at all, guys. So know that I am now officially monetized on YouTube and I'm making money. The sky is literally the limit, guys, and that's what I really do in this video for. I want to help to encourage someone out there that say, hey, you start the journey, don't stop. Because the problem was, guys, I actually stopped for about 2 years because I was discouraged. I wasn't seeing any views on my videos. I was uploading day after day and I'm getting like 1 view or 2 view or maybe a like or no likes at all. It really got very discouraging, guys. And to know that you will spend half an hour, 2 hours to create a video, upload it, and nobody views it, trust me, guys, it's kind of a deflating kind of feeling, guys. And trust me, that's where I was at a particular time. And you know, just seeing this now, guys, when I started seeing this on my channel, it encouraged me more to start making more videos and to also upload more videos, either weekly, whether it's twice a week, 3 times a week, or even just once a week. You know, try to be as consistent as you possibly can with your uploads, guys. And you know, one of the main reasons why I actually started a YouTube channel is I really wanted to be of help to someone out there. You know what I'm saying? And you know, I started the first video doing skin retouching, guys. This was about 8 years ago, guys, and you know, that's a really long time ago. And, you know, like I mentioned, I was not consistent on YouTube. You know, I definitely was not. And when I started being consistent is the time when I decided, like I said to myself, and that was actually this year, I said to myself, I am going to try to get monetized by the end of the year, and to know that I surpassed my goal because I actually got monetized in July is a fantastic thing, guys. So don't give up, guys. Keep pushing, keep uploading, guys, and you will reach to a point where I am, or you probably even surpass me, because I've seen stories where persons got monetized within a month and they're making a lot of money on YouTube. So it just depends on what you are doing on YouTube. Finance seems to be a very popular one on YouTube, where you make a lot more money on there. So guys, don't give up, keep going, keep trying, because you can get there, guys. So just wanted to show you guys also the content performance that I've actually had on my video. And the top one right now is the unboxing video with the Neo Q4 flash. And so far that has made me $4.90 so far. The second one, it was a video that I did for DaVinci, and it made for $3.43. So you can see, guys, that, you know, I am getting money from also videos that I've uploaded months ago. And, you know, the thing about it is, you know, if you have uploaded videos 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years ago, you can still get money on those videos if people are still watching it, guys. So go back on your old videos. If you need to update the thumbnail, if you need to update the title of it, please do so, because you never know when one of those videos is going to just blow up, guys. Because I remember one of my videos that actually blew up. If I come to my content here and I go all the way back, I think it was, I'm gonna go back some more, come back. It was a video I got actually 33,830 views on that video. Just imagine if I was monetized and got that, guys. It'll be probably a decent amount of money. You know, and one thing you guys have to also keep in mind too is when it comes on to putting ads on your video. So let me go back to the front and let me pick a video, a random video. So let, for example, say that my most popular video. All right, guys. So I'm going to go inside that video now. And if I go to my analytics, you're going to see that I on this video, I made 2,600 views on this video. I had 151.3 watch time hours, and also 51 subscribers just from that one video, guys. And like I mentioned before, I made $4.90 from that video, guys. So, you know, just keep in mind that doesn't matter when you upload your videos, guys, you can still make money from that video, no matter how long ago you have uploaded it. Once people are still watching it, you can get money from those videos, guys. So another question I've heard people ask, not necessarily me, but questions I've seen on YouTube, is when do you get paid from YouTube? I'm going to get into that answer for you guys, but I'm also going to just share with you guys. I got a letter from Google AdSense with my PIN, so I'm going to show you guys how to put the pin and see what happens, and then I'll explain afterwards. All right, so now that I'm inside Google AdSense now, all I'm gonna do is action. Now it's asking me for the pin. So I'm gonna open the letter that I received. I now have the form opened. So I'm just gonna enter it right now. All right, so once you have entered the correct PIN, you will see that it says verify your identity, identity verified, completed, address verified, completed. So now you are good to go. So if I should go back inside my YouTube channel, you'll see the banner here, but let's see what happens if I refresh. And once you refresh, the banner has disappeared. So that's how you know that everything was done right. So now I think the next step, what they're going to do is they're going to probably send you like a small amount of money to your bank account to verify that you received it, and they're just going to take it back out of the bank account. So that's pretty much the steps that you would actually need to take, guys, in order to, you know, set up your Google so that you can be monetized. And also once you're monetized, guys, the next step is to, you know, do your Google AdSense account. And then once you get the letter from Google AdSense, you put in the PIN to verify your address and everything else. And then you can start getting money inside your bank account that you provided with them. But make sure, guys, that you also do your W-9 form and upload that so that you can, you know, be set and ready to go once you are either a partner or you're monetized with YouTube. So I hope this has been helpful to somebody out there and encouraging to somebody out there to just keep going, keep trying, keep making videos. And every time you make a video, guys, you're definitely going to be getting better and better and better. So do not give up like I did in the beginning. Keep striving, keep making content, and you know, people who appreciate what you do are going to follow you and they're going to subscribe to your channel. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. And once again, guys, I'm just going to say thank you to all the followers on my channel. I really do appreciate it. Really do appreciate it, guys. And if you guys have enjoyed this video and find it informative, smash that like button, guys. And if you guys are new to the channel, welcome and subscribe. All right, guys, take care until the next video. Peace.